Hello students. In previous video you had learned how to represent the integers on number line. Now today in this video you will learn how to add the integers and how to subtract the integers. So now see this question. Today we will do exercise first 6 questions. So now see question number first third part. Question is minus 120 plus minus 269. Here in this what you have to do, first of all you have to check outside the bracket. Outside this bracket no sign is there, that means here what sign will we have to take? We have to take plus sign. So plus and minus will be minus 120 will be as it is. In the same way as we have done here also we have to do plus minus 269. Now next step we have to check this sign, minus and minus. This 120 is having minus sign, this 269 is also having minus sign, and we know that minus and minus is plus, that means we have to add these two numbers, minus minus plus. So we have to add these two numbers. On adding these two numbers we will get 389. Now after adding, what you have to do, from these two numbers you have to check which one is greater. 269 is greater. What is the sign of 269 here? Sign of 269 is minus. That means in answer also we have to put minus. So this is your final answer. Now see ninth part. Ninth part is plus 1234 plus 762 plus minus 2467 plus 3468 plus minus 9802. So this is a question. First of all we have to solve these brackets. Brackets are coming here. We have to solve these brackets. Here outside the bracket no sign is there, that means you have to take plus sign. Plus and plus will become plus 1, 2, 3, 4. And it is not compulsory to put plus sign in the beginning. It is an option. Either you put here plus sign or not. But if minus sign will be there in the beginning, then you have to put it. It is compulsory. Now plus 762 will be as it is. Plus and minus will become minus 2467. This one number we have to write as it is, plus 3468. Plus and minus will become minus 9802. Now after that what you have to do? Here you have to observe which numbers are having positive sign. This number is having positive sign. This number is also having positive sign. And this number is also having positive sign. So here three numbers are having positive sign, and we know that plus and plus is plus only. Plus plus plus. That's why we will add these three numbers. So in rough you have to add these three numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 6, 2, then 3, 4, 6, 8. In rough you have to add these. So answer we got on adding, answer is coming 5464. So this is the answer of these three numbers. Which one is greater here? Plus 3468 is greater. So this number is having plus sign. So here also we will put plus sign. Now these two numbers are remaining. This number is having minus sign. This number is also having minus sign. So what you have to do? First of all we have to check the sign. Minus and minus is plus. That means we have to add these two numbers. Now we will add these two numbers, 2467 and 9802. On adding these two numbers you will get 12,269. So this is the answer of these two numbers. Which one is greater among these two? 9802 is greater. What is the sign of 9802? Minus sign. That's why we have to put here in this answer minus sign. Now plus and minus, plus minus minus. So what you have to do? You have to subtract these two numbers. This is greater number and this is smaller number. So from this number we have to subtract this, plus minus minus. So now we will subtract it. 12269 minus 5464. We will subtract these two numbers. So answer is 6805. This is the answer of these two numbers. Which one is greater among these two? 12,269 is greater. What is the sign of 12,269? Minus sign is coming. That's why in answer also you have to put minus sign. So this is your final answer of this part number 9. So like this you have to do all the remaining part of question number first. Now see question number second. First part. Minus 12 minus 63 is given. So here outside this bracket no sign is there. That's why here what sign will be there? Plus sign. And plus and minus will be minus 12. Now come here this side. Minus and minus will become plus 63. Now next step is this number is having minus sign. This number is having plus sign. Minus plus minus. So what we will do? We will subtract these two numbers. Now we will subtract it. On subtracting we will get 51. Which one is greater here? 63 is greater. What is the sign of 63? Plus. So answer will be plus 51. And this sign is not compulsory. Either you put plus sign or not. It is option. In the beginning, it is not compulsory to put the plus sign. Now see fifth part. 64 minus 48 plus 151 minus 123 plus minus 124 minus 167. This is the question. Here we have to solve the bracket first. So these all numbers we have to write as it is. Plus and minus will be minus. Minus and minus will become plus. Now what will be the next step? Next step is we have to write all the positive numbers. This number is having plus sign. This number is also having plus sign. And this number is also having plus sign. So we will write these numbers together. 64 plus 151 plus 167. Now after that we will write negative number. This number is having minus sign. This number is having minus sign. And this number is also having minus sign. Next step, these positive numbers we have to add. 64, 151 and 167 we have to add all these three numbers. Answer is 382. These all numbers are positive. That's why this answer will also be positive. Now minus and minus we know plus. Minus and minus is plus. That's why these all negative number also we have to add. 48, 123, 124. These all numbers we have to add it. So answer is 295. So this is the answer of these all negative numbers. So answer or in answer also what sign we have to put? We have to put the sign of minus, because from these three numbers 124 is greater and 124 is having minus sign. That's why we have to put minus sign. Now plus and minus is minus, so we have to subtract these two numbers, 382 and 295. We will subtract it. So answer is 87. Which one is greater among these two? 382 is greater. 382 is having plus sign. So here you have to put plus sign, but it is not compulsory to put the plus sign. It is option. Either you put plus or not. So this is your final answer of this fifth part. So like this you have to do all the remaining parts of this question number second. Now come to exercise first D. In this exercise we will do the product question. Products means multiplication questions. First question is find the product. First part. Here it is written plus 12 multiply 18. So in this, first of all what you have to do? First of all you have to multiply the sign. Plus 12 is having plus sign, 18 is also having no sign, means here what sign we have to take? We have to take plus sign. So plus multiply plus will be plus only. So in the answer you have to put plus sign. So these are the question of product. Product means multiplication. But in previous exercise you had learned the questions of addition or subtraction. So in addition or subtraction case what you have done? We are putting the sign of greater number. Suppose I had written 5 minus 10. So this is plus and this is minus. Plus minus, we are not putting minus sign. what we are doing, plus minus, minus is there, that's why we will subtract these two number. So answer on subtracting will be 5. But sign, how we will put the sign here? We will put the sign of greater number. Which one is greater? 10 is greater, so we will put here minus sign. But here we will not see greater number. In the multiplication questions, we will not see which one is greater. Here what you have to do? First of all, both sign we have to multiply. Plus multiply plus will be plus. Now what you will do? 12 multiply 18 you will do. Answer will be, answer is 216. So this is your final answer of first part. Now come to second part. Second part is minus 125 multiply minus 36. So first of all, what you have to do? First of all, we have to multiply the sign. What is the sign here? Negative sign. Here also, what sign is coming? Negative, minus sign is coming. So minus multiply minus will become plus. Here we will not put the sign of greater number. Which sign we will put? Minus multiply minus is plus, so we will put plus sign. Now what you have to do? 125 multiplied with 36. So answer is 4500. So this is the answer of part number 2. Now third part. Come to part number 3. Third part is minus 225 multiply 40. So first of all, what we have to do? First of all, we will multiply the sign. Minus multiply, no sign is coming here. Plus is not there and minus is also not there. So in this case, what you have to consider here? We have to consider plus sign. Minus plus minus sign we will put. Now 225 multiplied with 40 you have to do. So 225 multiplied with 4. Answer is 900. But here I had multiplied 225 with 4. So answer is 900. But this is not 4. This is 40. So this last 0 also I will add here. So answer is 9000. So this is the answer of part number 3. So like this you have to do all the remaining part of question number 1. Now see question number 3. Third question, first part. Here we have to multiply 3 numbers. In first question what we had done? We had multiplied two numbers. But now we have to multiply 3 numbers. So in this case what you have to do? First of all you have to multiply first 2 numbers. So plus, what sign is coming here? Plus sign. Plus minus minus. 8 7 ja 56. Multiply 12 we have to write as it is. Now we will multiply these 2 numbers. Minus, and here no sign is there, means plus sign. Minus plus minus. 56 multiply by 12. So answer is 672. Now part number 5th. Fifth part. In this how many numbers are coming? 4 numbers are coming. So in this question what you have to do? First of all we have to multiply these 2 separately and these 2 numbers also we have to multiply separately. So 11 into 15 we have to do. We have to multiply 11 and 15. So answer is 165. We have to multiply the sign also. Sign of these 2 numbers, plus and minus will be minus 165. In the same way we have to multiply these 2 numbers. 17 into 19. Answer is 323. We have to put the sign also. Plus and plus. Here no sign is there, means plus. Here also no sign is coming, plus. Plus multiply plus will be plus. And plus it is not compulsory to write. So this sign is remaining, multiply. This multiply sign we will put as it is. Now minus multiply with what sign is coming here? Plus sign. Minus multiply plus will be minus. Now we have to multiply these 2 numbers. 323 into 165. So we got the answer. Answer is 53295. So what is the answer? 53,295, and sign minus sign we have to do. So like this you have to do this part number 5th. Now see part number 8th. 8th part. These two numbers we have to multiply together. These two numbers also we have to multiply together, and these two numbers. So here 6 numbers are there. First two, second two, and third two we have to multiply together. So first of all we have to multiply sign. Plus minus minus. 9 7 ja 63. In the same way we have to multiply here. Plus, no sign is coming here, that's why we have to take plus sign. Plus minus minus. Now 25 into 13 we have to do. Answer is 325. So minus 325 we have to write. Now next one is multiply. Here no sign is there, means plus sign. Plus 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 only. Now what you have to do? You have to multiply 16 with 8. Answer is 128. This plus sign is option, either you put this plus sign or not. So now how many numbers we are having? We are having 3 numbers. Now what you have to do? First two numbers we have to multiply together, and this third number we will write as it is. So minus and minus will become plus. It is not compulsory to put plus sign in the beginning, it is option, either you put or no. 63 into 325. So answer is 20,475. This one number we have to write as it is. But this sign is remaining, so this sign we have to put in between these two numbers. Now plus multiply, no sign is coming, so here also plus is there. Plus multiply plus will be plus. Now 20475 we have to multiply. 20475 multiply with 128. When we will multiply these two numbers, we will get the answer. So you have to multiply these two numbers and you have to write the answer here. So like this you have to do all the remaining part of question number 3. Now see question number 4. In 4th question we have to divide. 5th part. Question is minus 128 divided by minus 16. So in this question what you have to do? First of all we have to write these number in upon. Minus 128 upon minus 16. Minus and minus will get cancelled. Now we will cancel these two numbers with the same table. 8 2 ja 16. This one also we will cut with the table of 8. 8 1 ja 8. Remainder 4. 8 6 ja 48. Now we will cancel these two also. 2 1 ja 2. 2 8 ja 16. So final answer is 8. So what is your final answer? 8 is the final answer. Now see next part, 7th part. 7th part is minus 225 divide 9. In this also we have to do same. Minus 225 upon 9. Here no sign is coming. That means here what is the sign? Positive sign, plus sign. So plus and minus, in answer you have to put minus, because plus minus minus. Now we will cancel these two. 9 1 ja 9. 9 2 ja 18. Remainder 4. 4 and 5 will be 45. So 9 5 ja 45. So answer is plus minus minus. On cancelling these two we get the answer minus 25. So like this you have to do all the remaining parts of question number. Now see 5th question. First part, simplify. Part number 7. 2 into 50 divide 15 minus 5 plus 8. So in such questions you have to use BODMAS. So first of all we have to solve bracket, this one. So 2 into 50 divide plus 8. Rest of the things we have to write as it is. First of all we will solve bracket. 15 minus 5 will be 10. Now after bracket off is coming, but in this question off is not there. So leave this off. Divide. Divide is there. So first of all we have to solve this divide. 50 divided with 10, answer will be 5. So 2 multiply we have to write as it is, plus 8 also we have to write as it is. Now after divide, what is coming? Multiply. So we have to multiply these two. 5 into 10, 5 into 2 will be 10 plus 8. So answer will be 18. So like this you have to do part number 2nd. Now see 7th part. Part number 7. 15 plus 24 minus 48 divide 7 plus 16 into 2 minus 27. So in this question also we will use BODMAS. First of all we have to solve bracket. So this, in this bracket, plus is coming, multiply is coming, and minus also. Three things are coming: plus, multiply, and minus. This is addition, multiplication, and subtraction. So multiply is coming first, addition and subtraction is coming later on. So first of all we have to multiply. So these all things we have to write as it is. Till here we have to write as it is. First of all we have to multiply. 16 to the 32 minus 27 also we will write as it is. Now next step we will solve this bracket. That means we have to add and subtract. So 15 plus 24 minus 48 divide, bracket will be as it is. We will add these two. On adding these two numbers we will get 39 minus 27. This bracket we have to close at the end. Now next step, these all things we will write as it is. Now we will subtract these two numbers. 39 minus 27, answer will be 12. Now bracket close. Now in this curl bracket, minus is coming and divide is coming. So divide is coming here and subtract is coming at last. So first of all we have to solve divide. First of all we will solve this divide. So on dividing it, 24 minus 48 divided with 12. 12 4 ja 48. Now we will subtract these two. 24 minus 4 will be 20. Now no need to put this bracket because inside this bracket minus was there and we had solved. Now we will add these two. On adding these two we will get the answer 35. Now see 8th part. Eighth part. So here in this question we will observe that bar is there. Bar is coming. So here you have to use bar first. Then after that we will use BODMAS. First we will solve bar, then we will do BODMAS. Then we will use BODMAS. Before BODMAS we have to solve bar first. So 121 divide 47 minus curl bracket. On these two numbers bar is coming, that means we will solve this bar first. 15 minus 3 will be 12 into 7 minus 4 as it is, then curl bracket, then big bracket. Now we will solve this small bracket. So 121 divide 47 minus 12 into 7 minus 4 will be 3. Now next step we will solve this curl bracket. 121 divide 47 minus 12 3 the 36. So bracket, first of all you have to solve this small bracket. You have to remember this order. First of all we will solve small bracket, then we will solve curl bracket, then we will solve big or large bracket, like this. This is the correct order. First of all we will solve small, then curl, then we have to solve large bracket or big bracket. Now we will solve this large bracket. 121 divide, on subtracting these two numbers we will get 11. Now 121 divided with 11 will be 11. So this is your final answer of this 8th part. So like this you have to do all the remaining parts of this question number 5th. So your homework is, you have to do first C exercise and first D exercise in your classwork notebook. So your homework is first C and first D exercise you have to do in your fair notebook.